Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Prolux, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the hose on any Prolux Upright Vacuum Cleaner. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, tools needed for this job is a flathead screwdriver. You don't need one this long, but you do need some leverage because you're going to pry this off. Reasons to replace your hose: this is cracked, so air is escaping, or the hose material itself is ripped. You can replace just this little flap right here. I will have a video on that, but for this portion you just need a flathead, and you're going to get in between the vacuum body and the hose. You're just going to kind of work it around, and as you can see, just working that flathead screwdriver around, it's popped it out a little bit, and then all you need to do is just kind of twist it and pull it out. And then once you have it removed, get your new hose, put it back on the wand right here, and then put on the hose hook, and then all you need to do is pop this all the way in. There's a tab right here on each side, and then there's like this lip right here. You need to push it all the way in till it goes past this lip. So you can see that gray lip right above my fingernail. All you need to do is push it in. And then once you have it pushed in all the way, just give it a quick little gentle tug. If it's not coming out with this gentle tug, then you know it's all the way pressed in. And that's about it.